I'm Miss Hodgson. I'm an English music and drama teacher based in London, and I've got all sorts of games and activities and songs to share with you for whilst you're at home. Today we're going to be looking at how to play You Are My Sunshine on the ukulele. Now, to get started, what we need to think about are the chords that you need for this song. There's lots of different ways to play this song, but I'm going to teach you one that needs 3 chords. The first chord is C, the second chord is F, and the third chord is G. And once you've got all of those ready, then you're ready to start the song. Now, before we get going with a play along, I thought I'd talk a little bit about strumming. Now, if you're quite new to playing the ukulele, it's absolutely fine to just play with a down stroke with your thumb. Simple strumming pattern. If you're a little bit more advanced, you can try the strumming pattern down, down, up, up, down, up. Let's get going. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Hope you have a lovely day.